Okay. Wow. No, it's not. Oh, it's another plane we haven't seen yet. Worldwide service. UPS plane. Oh, nice. Well, didn't expect one of these beauties to fly in a leopard field. Hey, there goes YouTube. Beautiful. Now I'm glad I filmed this. It's a pretty interesting plane. I like how the wings are hanging off the top of the plane instead of the side.
Bombardier Q400 looks like.
Nice. There goes YouTube. How's it going, YouTube? Me and Extreme Padre fan are here in LA today. We're here filming planes coming in and out of LAX. Our first plane is this new American scheme taking off right here. Woohoo! Oh. An ambulance just drove by YouTube, so don't mind that. Very nice plane, YouTube. There goes out of LA. All right, YouTube, another plane taking off. I couldn't get the name of this plane. Yeah. Gotta love the takeoff. There it goes. All right, YouTube, here comes a 747 plane about to land here at LAX.
Finally get to meet these guys. Sweet.
Beautiful. You know, YouTube, I'm used to cheering on trains, but I'll cheer on planes. Whoa! As you can see over the top of the plane and these buildings, YouTube. I see him. Can't tell. Yeah, hey Cam, here comes the 747 now. Look at that.
Oh, KLM. That's what it is.
Nice.
Yeah, 747 kilometers.
It's a big ass plane there. Beautiful. KLM 747, baby. One of my favorites. And there comes in YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's an American 777, you said? About to take off.
Here, after we go, turn and grab the again.
Woohoo! As that takes off, YouTube, there's an air Tahiti plane right over here. It looks like it's getting ready for a little servicing, it looks like. And there they go. All right, YouTube, here's another 787 about to take off. United.
I like it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Woohoo!
That's cool. You ran past some stuff.
Yeah. And there goes YouTube. Another plane taking off YouTube. Another just usual United or Delta. And there it goes. All right, YouTube, another plane taking off. Oh, it's a US Airways plane. There it goes. All right, YouTube, here's another plane that just landed here.
On your phone, too.
Very interesting scheme on this.
Hold up. Oh, what kind of phone is Air New Zealand. Hold up.
Huh?
Hold up.
Oh, it is Air New Zealand, yeah.
It's the 13, dude.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Lord of the Rings much, the 13 from Battle of the Five Armies. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Cam, get a million pictures of that for Wesley. Yeah, yeah.
reverses out. You see them?
Yeah, oh nice. Yeah, you two, we're big fans of The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings here, so to see this Air New Zealand land here is pretty awesome. Yeah. And what were the odds of that, you two?
I was hoping to see that.
All right, YouTube. No final count. Anyway, YouTube, here's a gigantic Lufthansa cargo plane about to taxi over here.
Yeah, look at this big one down here that's coming.
Man, I thought San Diego had big planes. Boy, I couldn't be more wrong here.
San Diego is like my place.
There goes the United taking off. Typical planes, right? I think getting it now would be perfect. When it's more over here? Okay. Oh, you're trying to get both that and the Air New Zealand in one shot. Okay. It's not moving. Yeah, YouTube, Air New Zealand and Lufthansa cargo. Gotta love it. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's the official like German airline.
Okay. Lufthansa. Okay.
But
Wow, what are the what were the odds of seeing Air New Zealand?
No.
As those are taking off, let's get this Delta taken off.
Oh.
Well, YouTube, LAX has been amazing. There it goes. YouTube, another American taking off. Man, YouTube, LAX is putting on some great planes. There might be one of them.
20 inches.
2.
Nope.
Okay. Another American taking off YouTube, but in the newer scheme, or older scheme, excuse me. Love the sun's reflection on it. Woo, and there goes YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's an Air China plane about to come our way. Can't beat Air China with big planes like this.
Holy shit. Woo!
I know, look at those big planes over at the International.
That's the one I want.
I agree. Oh crap, I got... Oh, excuse me. Yeah. God damn, something's making me sneeze. If you look off in the background YouTube, there's another JL over there. We're used to seeing that take off from San Diego. Oh, shut up. Looks nice. I can't help but notice how big the engines are. Yeah. And there goes YouTube. Another American taking off YouTube, smaller plane. Nice. There goes YouTube. YouTube, here's another plane taking off. Looks like just another United or Delta, one of the two. All right, YouTube, after just landing, here's a British Airways A380 just taxiing into towards the international terminals here at LAX. Wonder why that Delta hasn't moved at all. Sorry, YouTube, aiming off the wrong direction. Oh, jackpot. But that's going towards the other runway, right? Is that British Airways comes in, YouTube? Nice, that's a big plane there. American just took off.
I got it.
Good. The international terminal, the whole airport is busy today, YouTube. There are the planes. All right, YouTube, another A380 Lufthansa. Go.
Right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look over there. They were staring at each other pretty good, YouTube.
I got it.
Man, some big planes today.
Yeah, so this is the early service for Lufthansa.
Okay.
They bring in 2 flights, and the second one should have the 747
Okay.
Yeah, 747-800. Yeah.
There it is. YouTube on a Southwest. Special schemes just happened to land here at LAX. Cam, I'm not gonna lie, I almost said Lindbergh Field. Calvin, what do you freaking expect? I'm used to plane spotting down there.
I must issue slaps.
I know.
Oh, goodness.
Just a quick grab, YouTube. There it is. Even though we're not on the site to watch this take off, YouTube, here's the Korean Air just backing out from the international terminals.
Oh, they need to close the runways on that side. Should have.
That's a big ass plane for Korean Air over there. Nothing, just. Yeah. Anyway, YouTube, that's just a quick video. All right, YouTube, here's another Delta plane taking off. Into the sky. Off on the other side of the airport, YouTube, here's the Hawaiian Airlines about to take off. Or taking off now. There it goes. A little late on this one, YouTube, but here's the Korean Air taking off from the terminals. Bound for South Korea, I believe.
Otherwise it'd be a one-way trip.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, there it goes. Another US Airways taking off, YouTube. The sky goes, there goes YouTube. Polaris taking off YouTube. Sorry for the late delays. Sometimes I don't pay attention. Beautiful, there it goes. Right, YouTube, another American taking off. YouTube. All right, YouTube, after landing, here's the Singapore Plane about to head to the international terminals.
Side below the right below.
Look at this. Look at two Southwest. They're getting backlogged like crazy for takeoffs now.
You know, they're the first terminal, so all they got to do is pull out of the terminal and they're ready to take off.
Yeah.
And not runway, so.
That's a big Singapore plane right there. Is that another A380 over there? Jeez. There is approaching the terminals, YouTube. Just a quick video for YouTube. Another Dreamliner taking off. For YouTube, as that Singapore continues towards the terminals, we have another plane, I think, landing here. Give me a moment to look for it.
Oh, United. So it's just a big United.
Oh, okay. Oh, big United coming in. Film it anyway, still a good plane. That's a pretty damn big United right there. 777, huh? I'm sorry, I keep thinking Amtrak 777.
I know. No, like that's where my head goes first too.
Where is it? There it is landing, YouTube. Hey, all right, YouTube, we got another plane taking off. Where is it?
They'll take off over the shed here.
Yeah, I see him.
They'll start rotating.
There he is. Right there, YouTube.
Huh?
I didn't say anything, Kim.
Oh.
Here's the ANA taking off now, Kim. There he goes. Woohoo! Taking off, there goes YouTube. A big, gigantic Air France plane. YouTube just went around that Transero plane right there.
Yeah, New Zealand, they're pulling it back to pull it over here with the Air France.
Yeah.
In that area.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably. Sarah. Air France. Definitely a couple terminals will open up. Air New Zealand's taxiing out here. Is Japan taking off on this runway close to us?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's taking off too. Yeah. And there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we think that an Air Tahiti plane is about to take off. Just gotta look for it. Yep, here it comes.
Wait, there might be. Come here.
Where the hell is it?
Hopefully we get a nice rotation right about here.
Ah, here it is. Okay. Yep, watching it right now.
There's rotation.
Yeah. And there goes out of LAX. All Alright, YouTube, one of my personal favorite planes. Here comes this 747 cargo about to come by us from China Airlines here. Stupid tree, look. I love 747s, baby. Oh yeah. As this is approaching YouTube? Or is it? Special Southwest right here. Beautiful. YouTube, today's been a good day of plane spotting so far, that's for sure. Anyway, as that Southwest is hitting. Yeah. Gotta love these cargo planes here. Woohoo! And there goes towards the cargo loads, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we got another plane taking off here. Yep, here goes one of those JLs out of here. I'm used to seeing this baby take off at Lindbergh Field.
Well, that's not the 78.
Yeah. All the way to Japan. Too bad I don't like sushi. Anyway, YouTube, there it goes. Alright, YouTube, here comes another plane landing into LAX.
Now I got a nice shot.
Another 747, you said, Calvin? Yeah, looks like one.
Finally, they'll get a Qantas. Yes. For some Qantas. Huh?
I think it is.
Here, if you need to cover it. If you want. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 747, I can tell.
Let me guess, he's gonna stay here all day, too.
Yeah.
Huh?
I just see all these planes landing safely and departing safely.
Yeah.
As that 747 lands, YouTube, there's a Virgin America taking off. Oh, the last side of it.
Yeah, that is a Qantas 74.
And there comes in YouTube. Alright, YouTube, another airline taking off. Looks like this is an Israel plane. Oh, cool. There goes out of LAX. Alright, YouTube, another plane taking off.
This might be that JAL dream on it.
LAN.
Oh, land.
And there goes YouTube. What is it, Calvin? Wait, what?
I was asking if it was the far side or the side. That's not the side. Huh?
What is it?
Tahiti.
Oh, nice. Another Tahiti plane?
Louis, yeah. Air Tahiti Louis. It's actually a French airline, believe it or not. Rare. Go away. Yeah, the Tahiti Louis, alright.
Oh, it is. Nice. There there it is, landing safely, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's the other Air New Zealand plane landing in. In its regular scheme, I should say, Extreme Pod right now. Huh?
That's they have a all black scheme that is.
That's pretty nice, yeah. I just happened to spot it out of the corner of my eye.
Aero Mexico, Titano.
YouTube, I got a question. How many of you guys are a fan of Lord of the Rings or the Hobbit movies? I know me and Extreme Padre fan are.
Nay, nay.
Anyway, there's that Air New Zealand. Okay, that's our YouTube. Our last plane before we finally go have some lunch. Here's this 747 taking off finally.
Flight 602.
Took this plane long enough. Wow, that's a big plane thing. And with that 747 taken to the air, YouTube, we're gonna go have some lunch and relocate. There it goes. All right, YouTube, after enjoying some lunch at In-N-Out, we're here at the other side of LAX. American coming in. There goes into LAX. All right, YouTube, another plane coming into LAX. I do love this arrival shots, though. Damn.
And there goes into the.
Hey, Cam, I think you spoke a little too soon. Here comes another American. Another American coming in. I'm not in the way, am I, Kim? There goes into LAX, YouTube. Beautiful planes coming in. Cathay Pacific, nice. And there it is landing in, YouTube. Our YouTube, another big plane coming into the LAX. China cargo plane. Nice. There goes into LAX. Even more planes coming in, YouTube. Without a driver, scare me half to death. That guy burned rubber. But anyway, Korea Air, baby. That's a big plane right there. And there goes in, YouTube. More inbounds.
Oh, hi.
Hawaiian. There goes in, YouTube. Or YouTube, another plane coming into LAX. Into LAX. Our YouTube, our probably only departure shot from this side. Here comes a big, gigantic British Airways plane about to take off. God, it's a big A380. What it'd be like to be in the cockpit of one of these awesome planes. Of course. I believe this plane's going all the way back to the UK. The car's going by YouTube, I can't say anything about it. Get out of here. And there goes out of here, YouTube. Even more inbounds, YouTube. Oh, Canadian Airway. Oh, nice. Another plane coming in, YouTube.
Oh, what's good?
And there goes YouTube. Another plane inbound, YouTube. Alaska. You know, we haven't filmed any Alaska all day today. There goes in, YouTube. One last plane at this location, YouTube. Another Korean Air coming in. There goes into LAX. All right, YouTube, from the other side of the airport, we're back at Terminal Hill. Comes another plane taking off. Another American New Scheme. And there goes out of LAX.
With
Another plane taking off. What's this airline? There goes out of here. All right, YouTube, way off in the distance. Here comes another 747 about to land here at LAX.
I bet it's a cargo, but the question is...
Just who? Landing behind these buildings.
Small door guy got out of here.
What is it, Calvin?
Singapore.
Oh, okay. No, there's. Okay. Is this a cargo plane? Okay.
Please tell me he has to come all the way down here.
And there's that 747 landing. All right, you two, we have a plane taking off here. That's a big plane. The plane has no markings on it. There goes YouTube. Quick grab, YouTube. Here's an Italian airline taking off. There goes goes out of LAX. Get the last few planes of the day here today, YouTube. Sun setting, YouTube. There goes out of LAX. Woo! All right, YouTube. Here's this 747 about to take off.
Go a little about here and then rotate.
Yeah. Here it is. Woohoo!
Nice. He's not going to rotate here. Nice. Stay down, stay down.
There he goes.
Yes.
Plane taken out there. Woo! And there goes out of LAX, YouTube.